from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Good news for those in Phase 1C of the vaccination process locally, and Facebook's Henrico Data Center gives back to the community. We'll have details in today's Henrico News Minute. For Thursday, April 1st, 2021, it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Well, great news for folks in Henrico and Richmond who are in Phase 1C of eligibility for the COVID-19 vaccine. The Richmond and Henrico health districts have now entered that phase a little bit earlier than expected. The district yesterday emailed about 7,500 people from the two localities who are eligible in Phase 1C and who had pre-registered, offering them the chance to schedule a vaccination time. The districts had not expected to enter Phase 1C until sometime early this month, but this week they received 10,000 doses of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, thousands more than anticipated, in addition to about 12,000 total first doses of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines that helped speed the process a little bit for existing groups 1A and 1B. Now, the districts are continuing to provide opportunities for those who remain in those first two phases as well. Everyone in the state is expected to be eligible for a vaccination by May 1st. That's a deadline established by President Joe Biden for all adults nationally to become eligible. The Facebook Henrico Data Center recently awarded 8 community action grants to local nonprofits and schools. The facility created the grant program to help address needs in Henrico by funding proposals to use technology for community benefit, to connect people online or off, and to improve STEM education. Among the grant recipients were the Boys and Girls Clubs of Metro Richmond, Code RVA Regional High School, the Great Aspirations Scholarship Program Incorporated, the Henrico Education Foundation, and Henrico County Public Library. You can see a full list of recipients at henricocitizen.com by clicking on Community. There's a new scholarship fund being created in memory of Lucia Bremer, who was shot and killed in Henrico's Far West End on Friday. The fund is being run in cooperation with the Henrico Education Foundation. If you'd like to donate, you can do so by visiting henricogives.org. You may also mail checks to the Henrico Education Foundation, P.O. Box 31413, Henrico, VA 23294. One new market in the region is offering a weekly opportunity for people to support and promote the visibility of the region's Black, queer, trans, indigenous, and other underrepresented makers, artists, and small business owners. It's known as the Safe Space Market RVA, and it's held each Friday from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Lakeside Farmers Market at 6110 Lakeside Avenue. The effort was created and organized by a group that's working to help small businesses owned by marginalized groups and others, many of whom have struggled because of the pandemic. It's designed to be a welcoming and safe place for everyone, especially those marginalized groups. It does require strict mask and social distancing measures, and the number of people permitted inside the market at one time is limited. Each month, the market also works to support a local organization involved in anti-racist work, support work for the LGBTQ+ community, or working toward Black queer equity. This month, that organization is the RVA Community Fridges, which provides free food in free fridges throughout the region for anyone in need. You can follow the market on Facebook or Instagram by searching Safe Space Market RVA. Henrico police are seeking assistance from the public to help locate a missing 75-year-old man, Ronald Sipp. He went missing from the 12,000 block of Gayton Road in the Far West End sometime recently. He was last seen wearing navy blue Nike sweatpants and Nike tennis shoes. Police say he may have sought a ride to the bus station trying to get to Philadelphia. That's an area that he's familiar with. He is in need of medication and further medical care, however. If you think you've seen him or know where he is, you can contact Henrico Police Detective Rosser at 501-5247 or Henrico Police at 501-5000. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County's COVID-19 Emergency Rental Assistance, providing assistance for those who have experienced economic impact related to the virus, such as job loss or furlough. Applications are available at henrico.us/DSS or by calling 501-5294.